cooking ina! Welcome again to my kitchen. In this video, I am going to share my own version of banana chocolate moist cake, which is a favorite of my children. The ingredients we need of this are, of course, banana. I have 5 banana here, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, iodized salt, and 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 4 eggs, and 1 cup of milk, fresh milk. So now let's start mga cooking ina. Join me here in my kitchen making a banana chocolate moist cake. So let's start. First, we're going to mash our banana. We do like this. Do like this. It's good in this one if you have a very ripe banana. That's best to make in this, but I don't have here now, so but it's ripe still, so it's fine. Like this. Then we peel this one and then we going to mash it. It's beautiful, the banana, and it's good, it's healthy, it's a lot of potassium. So then we're going to mash this one like this. Or you mash it with a fork. Can I have a fork? I'm going to mash our banana like this. So our banana is mashed. So now this is our banana, mashed banana. We're going to put our 1 cup butter, 1 cup butter, then our egg, 4 eggs, and then we mix this and our milk, 1 cup of milk. This is half cup, so we need that 1 cup. So 1 cup of milk, fresh milk. Then all the liquid ingredients we're going to mix first in the mashed banana. And then we put our vanilla essence. Just put a little bit. And then we mix well. Then we mix our white sugar, 1 cup white sugar. Then our 1 cup brown sugar, and then we mix again. And then we're going to put our cinnamon powder, and then our salt, and then we mix again. So now our mixture is ready to put our flour, our all-purpose flour. We need 3 cups, 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, and we're going to put our baking powder. So, and then we mix well in this. We mix well, we do like this, and then we're going to put our chocolate chips. This is dark chocolate chips. It smells good. My children loves this very much. And mga cooking ina, our mixture of baking is like this. You see that? So now I'm going to put this in our baking form. I have 2. I need to make 2 because 1 is not enough for my voice. So we're going to put butter in this. We coated the butter here. The next one, you can put also a baking paper, but I'm not going to use that one. So now we're going to put our banana mixture in our baking form. Then in the next one, this is very simple mga cooking ina, and then it's good. Look at our banana chocolate moist. It smells good and beautiful. And then we're going to put more chocolate chips in topping so that it's look good. We do like this. So look mga cooking ina, it's fun to do this, you know. So now I am going to put our cake in the oven, which is preheated to 160 degrees Celsius, and we bake it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we're going back and we test our cake, our banana chocolate moist cake. Now mga cooking ina, our banana chocolate moist cake is ready and it looks tasty. And I'm going to slice this and we try. Mga cooking ina, it's yummy. So look mga cooking ina, you see that? You see that? It's beautiful. You see that? Then we cut in this one like this. Oops, it's warm pa. So we're going to do that to present in our merienda time, mga cooking ina, like that. So look, it's beautiful and moist in the chocolate. So Now I'm going to try my cooking ina. It's very good. I love this with the coffee. The texture is perfect. And now thank you mga cooking ina for joining me in my baking video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! God bless!